as opposed to a P-type. So the N-type means negatively charged. So the efficiency rating on this one is 21.54. Really good product. Customers really like the aesthetically pleasing look, which is all black. So you can see the black back sheet, the black frame, just looks really nice on the eye. And the size of it as well, so it's not too big for a 430 watt, it's 1754 by 1134. So with that in mind, they can fit, majority of the panels can fit on the roof, or you can get at least a high output for smaller roofs. A lot of people ask about the warranties, and what I normally say is have a look for the product warranty. Now, normally you're going to get performance warranties and such. So this is a 30-year performance warranty, like most panels. But however, the product warranty is also 30 years, and that's what you should look for in a panel, the product warranty. Not only that, Solar Xpress have got exclusive rights to this product. So the benefits for the customer is that if you are purchasing a panel from a company, if they're not the stockist of that company and they're buying it from different suppliers, there could be a chance that supplier runs out of that particular product, and if there's an issue with the panel or it breaks or for any reason, you've then got to try and go to the manufacturer to get the one panel delivered. Whereas with us, Solar Xpress, this panel's in stock. We only now provide the Sunrise 430 as our exclusive panel. And like I said, really good product, really high efficiency, and looks really nice on the house. So the Sunrise 430 Aquaman series, we have got some unbelievable deals on at the moment. So give us a shout over at Solar Xpress. We can do a free remote quotation, so nobody needs to come to the property. We can work out a quote, send it to you via email so you can have a look. We can design it on the roof, and if it's of interest to you, like I say, we've got some really good deals on at the moment. Thanks.